Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the eufy 2026 new C28 robot vacuum and mop combo. I have looked through the internet, analyzed its features, compared it with other robotic vacuum cleaners in this category, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you whether the eufy C28 is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest highlight of the C28 is its impressive 15,000 Pascal suction power. This level of suction allows the robot to effectively remove everyday dust, fine particles, pet hair, and larger debris from hard floors and carpets. Compared with older generations, including models like the X10 Pro, the increased suction gives it a stronger ability to deep clean carpets and pull dirt from difficult areas such as floor gaps and edges. Another major upgrade is the HydroJet self-cleaning roller mop system. Traditional robot mops often drag a dirty pad across the floor as cleaning continues, reducing their effectiveness over time. The HydroJet system continuously cleans the roller during operation, helping maintain a fresh mopping surface and delivering more consistent cleaning results across larger areas of your home. For homes with pets, the Zero-Tangle technology is one of the most useful features. Hair wrapping around the main brush is one of the biggest maintenance problems with robot vacuums. The C28 is designed to reduce tangles and minimize manual cleaning, making it a practical choice for households with dogs or cats that shed regularly. The fully automated docking station is another area where this robot truly stands out. After completing a cleaning session, it can automatically empty collected dust, wash its mop, dry the mop to reduce odors and bacteria buildup, and refill the clean water tank. This dramatically reduces the amount of maintenance required from the user and brings the experience closer to a truly autonomous cleaning system. Cleaning intelligence is also a major advantage. The robot is designed to transition between vacuuming and mopping tasks efficiently while maintaining strong cleaning performance across different floor types. Whether you have hardwood, tile, laminate, or carpets, the C28 adapts to deliver a more complete whole-home cleaning experience. Another benefit is the improvement over previous generations. Compared with the eufy X10 Pro, the C28 focuses on stronger suction, an enhanced mopping system, and improved convenience features. These upgrades make it a better fit for larger homes, families, and users who expect minimal involvement in routine cleaning. Of course, there are some limitations. As with most premium robot vacuums, the advanced dock requires more space than a standard charging station and comes at a higher price point. Deep stains or heavily soiled areas may still require occasional manual cleaning, and no robot vacuum can completely replace a traditional deep cleaning routine. But overall, when you look at the complete package, the eufy C28 delivers a highly advanced combination of powerful suction, effective mopping, pet-friendly design, and extensive self-maintenance features. It significantly reduces daily cleaning effort and provides a premium automated cleaning experience. So, should you buy the eufy 2026 new C28 robot vacuum and mop combo? After looking through the internet and evaluating everything it offers, my answer is yes for homeowners who want one of the most convenient hands-free cleaning systems available, especially those with pets, large floor spaces, or busy schedules. If you only need basic vacuuming and have a smaller home, a more affordable robot vacuum may be enough. But if you want powerful performance with automatic emptying, mop maintenance, and minimal daily involvement, the eufy C28 is an excellent investment. Overall, the eufy C28 stands out as a next-generation robot vacuum and mop that focuses on powerful cleaning, intelligent automation, and maximum convenience, making it one of the most compelling premium robotic cleaners of 2026.